Stop trading. Put down the mouse. If you're not doing these 3 things, shut your computer down and grab a notebook and pen and pay attention. Here's 3 mandatory trading initiatives you need to enact in your trading today. Start today. Take a week, take a day, take several hours. Put these 3 things in motion today. Most traders are not doing them. They're simply gambling. They're simply just throwing down sums of cash in the marketplace on emotional whims while the house collects their rent money. Number 1, write your business plan. People talk about it. People think about it. Do you actually have a written business plan that you are operating from? Yes or no? Number 1 on that plan, what are you going to trade? What security? The S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Russell, the Dow? Where are you going to place your money? What is your statistical edge? Have you back tested your plan, your strategy, your entry? Do you know what that looks like? Numerically anyways, do you know what that looks like? What are your A-plus setups? Do you have that dialed in? Do you know what you're looking for in the marketplace, specifically what you are looking for, your entry model? What does that look like? What is your plan to manage risk? Are you using a 1-to-1 risk reward? Are you using a 2-to-1, a 3-to-1? Do you use a hard stop? What is your specific risk management plan? What is your plan to manage losses? People don't actually think this through. When you go through periods of drawdown as a professional trader and you're going through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 losses in a row, how are you going to psychologically manage that and preserve your capital, both financial and mental capital at the same point in time? What is your plan to manage losses? How are you going to control yourself through those periods of time? Write it out in excruciating detail. What's your starting capital? Just like you would a regular business plan, what are you putting down on the line to start off? What's your expectations with that starting capital? Are your projections and your expectations realistic, or do you think you're going to take on Warren Buffett's wealth in week 6? You may want to reevaluate. What's your educational plan? Traders need to continually expand their minds and expand their educational plan. Do you have one mapped out? And lastly, what is your process improvement plan? Do you have one? Do you know what your process looks like on a full 360-degree cycle? Do you know what that is? Number 2 on the list, execute your plan. This is the second thing you need to instill into your mindset. Number 1 is planning. You are planning out what you are doing every day when you enter into the cash market in your trading session. Number 2, execute your plan. Sounds simple enough, doesn't it? Just do it is a common slogan out there. When you identify an A or an A-plus setup that's outlined in your plan, there's no hesitation, no question, not even a flicker of doubt. You pull the trigger then and only then. During the live cash session, like I said, there's no room to overanalyze your setup. Setup forms, you just simply take it. Number 3, journal, assess, and refine your process. This is your process improvement plan. Document your trades, entry, exit, result, reason for the trade, reason for the exit, your comfort level through the trade. Did you over leverage? Were you under leveraged? Answer the following question trade by trade, day by day, week by week. Did I execute my plan? Simple yes or no in your journal at the end of the day. This is how you assess your plan. This is how you assess your performance. Not during trading hours, but here in your post-day, post-week wrap-up. Try it for 30 days. Maybe uncomfortable, maybe a little extra work. It's worth it in the end. Be disciplined in your daily adherence to this. If you don't like it, if too much money is piling up in your trading account, by all means, go back to gambling. The house, the casino, ready, willing, and able to take your money. Go ahead and donate back to the traders who are doing this. Simple as that. If you like this and you want access to the tools, check out NinjaTrader's Fast Track with the link below.